Maybe. Ooh, let's hundo Squirtle. If we get a shiny, we can catch all of them. And we'll try to evolve them. Ooh. I gotta work in 6 hours. Damn, no shiny. Ooh, Onyx. Let's make it dizzy. No shiny. I don't care about a young goose. Shiny Growlithe, Hondo Growlithe, Shundo Growlithe, that'd be cool. Make sure. Shoot, raids with. Me and him confronted him. And like we kept pressing him and pressing him and pressing him and pressing him. And finally he kind of caved a little bit. And okay. No Shundo Growlithe for us today. I'm going to skip the Remoraid because we already have the shiny Remoraid. And this music has looped for a little bit. GTA 4 music. I mean, this is a triumphant little tune.
The machine is beginning to overload the senses.
I thought that was going to go into, I know I wasn't the only one that heard that.